Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of value distribution function. So this is 100% expected model problem in exam point of view. Determine whether the following is a value distribution function. The given distribution function is fx of x is equal to 1 minus e power minus x by 2. 1 minus e power minus x by 2 for x greater than or equal to 0 and fx of x is equal to 0 for x less than 0. So now coming to the solution. So given that the distribution function is there, so verify, check if this distribution function is valid distribution function or not. So the given distribution function is valid or not, only if the corresponding density function is valid. Once again, the given distribution function is valid distribution function only if the corresponding density function f of x is valid. And how to verify, how to check it, this distribution function is valid or not? We know that one of the property of the probability density function, the area under the probability density function is always unity. So that is integral minus infinity to f of x or fx of x dx is equal to 1. If this condition is satisfied, then the given distribution function is a valid distribution function. Otherwise, the given distribution function is not a valid distribution function. So first check it, this condition. First check it, this condition. To satisfy this condition, then the given function is a valid distribution. So first find, given that distribution function is there, so first calculate the probability density function. Probability density function, we know that from the definition of probability density function, f of x is equal to d by dx into distribution function. So that is equal d by dx into, so given that what is the distribution function, 1 minus e power minus x by 2. So differentiating 1 minus e power minus x by 2 with respect to x, d by dx into 1 is 0, e power minus x by 2 derivative is e power minus x by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So therefore, the density function fx of x is equal to minus into minus plus e power minus x by 2 by 2. So now check it, this condition. So that is therefore integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to, now here what is the density function, e power minus x by 2 divided by 2 dx. So in this interval, and what is the range of the interval, for x greater than or equal to 0. So for x greater than or equal to 0 mean the range of the x is varies from 0 to infinity. Range of the x is varies from 0 to infinity. So 1 by 2 into e power minus x by 2 dx integration is e power minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 over 0 to infinity. So numerator and denominator plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is cancelled. Minus of e power minus x by 2 over 0 to infinity. Now substitute upper value of x and lower value of x, we get e power minus infinity by 2. Infinity by 2, infinity, e power minus infinity, minus lower value of x is 0, e power minus 0 by 2 is e power minus 0, minus of e power minus infinity value is 0, e power minus 0 value is 1. So minus into 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. Therefore, integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So now here the condition is satisfied. Therefore, the given distribution function is a valid distribution function.